Hey guys, today I want to talk about the top 7 low-cost, high-profit business ideas in 2019. Now, a lot of these business ideas I'm currently involved in. A few of them I've done my due diligence, I've done the research so that I can share this information with you. And I believe these are the 7 business ideas that are going to be sustainable long-term into the future, especially since everything's changing. You know, we're seeing more development, innovation, and technology. And things are changing. The business landscape is evolving. It's such a rapid and unprecedented state. It's important to look beyond and do the research and see what's going to be sufficient long term into the future. So with that being said, we'll jump straight into it. And the first business idea is actually Airbnb. Now, not just Airbnb as a host, but Airbnb Experiences. Now, if you haven't heard of Airbnb Experiences, essentially what it is rather than listing your house or listing a room, what you're doing is you're listing an experience. Now, this could be an experience that you're confident with. This could be a skill of yours, or it could be an experience in your local area. You've developed the knowledge, the experience, and you're able to take people on a tour or some kind of activity in your local area. And this is a great way to kind of build up your brand, build up a business, and essentially take people around and show them your passion, show them what you're good at. And people want to see, different things in different countries, different experiences that they're not going to get back at home. And so Airbnb Experience is a great way to show foreigners, people from overseas, the unique cultural experiences or activities in your local area. So that's number 1, Airbnb Experiences. The second business idea is digital marketing. Now, if you run a business now, you'll know that it's important to start marketing online. The world is changing in the way that we promote our services and products, and it's important to adopt to the digital age, digital age, and catch that digital wave into the future. So as a digital agency, it's quite easy to, generate leads and find customers, because businesses need to be online these days if they want to be found, if they want to generate those leads, if they want to generate sales. And as a digital marketing agency, what you can do is offer packages. You can do Google Ads, you can focus on SEO, search engine optimization, you can focus on traditional marketing, but digital marketing is the biggest boom at the moment. A lot of people are jumping on it. You got to find a way that you can be unique and you can offer value through your digital marketing skills. The great thing about digital marketing is you can learn it online. Everything there is to know is found on YouTube and other platforms to teach yourself kind of how digital marketing works, the different channels that you can optimize and leverage to help local businesses essentially grow. So a digital marketing agency is the second low-cost, high-profit business idea in 2019. The third business idea is actually web design agency. Now, this is similar to digital marketing, because with web design, what you can actually do is there's a lot of platforms like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and there's all these different website building platforms that you can actually take advantage of, and you can upsell to your clients, upsell to small businesses, business to business, or to personal bloggers, people that are building their brand. And you can actually learn through different tutorials on YouTube or on other platforms how to actually build a website from scratch. And it's not hard. Obviously, you're going to have to do the due diligence, the research, and learn how to build these websites. But today you don't need the coding, you don't need to know anything about HTML or CSS. What you can actually do is just do the research yourself and learn how to create these websites, okay, using all these different amazing platforms that make it so much easier today than it did 20 years ago, where you had to know coding and all this tedious kind of stuff. So with that being said, again, with 2 and 3, the business ideas, digital marketing and web design, what you can also do is kind of merge them together and integrate the 2 into one business, where you're offering web design as the kind of core service, as well as marketing on top of that. So you're helping, customers, potential customers, find that business website. So you can integrate the two together. That's just going to grow into the future as people start their own businesses, people become self-employed. There's a big demand for web designers and digital marketers. So that's number 3. Now let's jump on to number 4. The fourth business idea is actually outsourcing, okay? Outsourcing is as simple as that. We live in such an interconnected, globalized world. It's really easy to outsource over to a developing country for services that are a fraction of the cost in your local country, especially if you're in a developed country like I am. I live in New Zealand. If you're in America or the UK or any other developed country, what you can do is outsource these digital activities into India or the Philippines, where they're developing. They charge a lot less for the same services that you do in your home country, and you make the profit in between. So you make that profit margin. This is what we call market arbitrage. And essentially what you're doing is, you're offering these services in your local country. You're outsourcing the production of those services, and then you're offering them back to your client. You're giving them the end result by upmarking that sale, that product. And so it's a great way. There's a lot of platforms that you can use. For example, there's Fiverr.com, and there's Upwork.com. These are two great outsourcing platforms where you can find so much great talent at such a low cost that you can, in the end, upsell to your customers in your local community, in your neighborhood. So with that being said, that's the fourth. So we'll jump on to the fifth business idea, and that is an online personal trainer. Now, the reason I want to talk about this is because you can actually become a personal trainer online very easily. Plus, health is such a big industry. Health is only going to grow as we live longer, as there's new diets, there's new programs out there, there's new fitness techniques to get into shape, to lose that weight. It's a big trend, and it's only going to grow. So if you wanted to start a business in that, it's going to be sustainable long term. Now, there's a lot of different areas you can go into with personal training, but because, again, we live in an interconnected world, it's very easy to move your business online and to actually start selling your products, selling your personal training services, your classes online. You can create forums, you can create communities, build up a brand, and you can start selling digital products, workouts, nutrition, or you can start running classes online. So being a personal trainer or in the health sector is huge, and that's only going to grow as we move into the future. Okay, so that's the fifth business idea of 2019. Now we'll jump into the sixth. The sixth business idea is affiliate programs. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate program is, essentially think about, say if I made this video now and I had links in the description below, and say I was talking about a product. Say we're talking about Fiverr, and I have a link below that goes to Fiverr's page for you to sign up. If you click on that link and it's an affiliate link, so I'm associated with that company, then I'll get a commission based on the sale. So what you essentially do is you partner yourself with lots of different businesses or agencies. If a customer or a follower clicks on that link and they pay that price, then you'll get paid commission based on a percentage of that sale. So it's fantastic. A lot of people are doing that these days. If you're into blogging, or if you're into digital marketing, or if you're a personal trainer like we talked about before, and you sell products online, they might not even be your products, or they might not even be your classes. But what you can do is have links to these businesses where they sell these packages, they sell these products, and if someone clicks on your profile or on your video or on your link, and they get sent to the business and they pay for that package or product, then you get paid a commission. So affiliate marketing is great. It's only going to grow as influencer marketing is just going to grow, especially on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all these different social medias. They're on the rise. So if you can grow your personal brand, you become an influencer in a certain niche. You want to look at different niches, something that you can focus on that's very small and very niche. Then you can actually start selling these affiliate programs. Okay, if you truly believe in, you obviously want to be passionate, and you want to truly believe in these services, products, that you're essentially endorsing to your followers, because your followers want to follow you because you're entertaining or you're educational. You know, that's why people follow you. Okay, so that's the sixth. Now the seventh and final low cost, high profit business idea in 2019 is actually producing a brand, okay? A brand online. Now this could be, and if you have a physical business, that's perfect as well. So if you have a small or local business, is to create that brand but put it online. So create blogs, create a YouTube channel. You know, video content is becoming the most viewed content online, and that's only going to grow. So what you want to do if you're a local business, small business, or you have a personal brand, you want to put that up online. You want to turn it into a blog or a YouTube channel. Okay, the reason I say that is because if you start growing this brand, you're producing content every day. And remember, content is king, marketing is queen, and she's always going to run the show. So what you want to do is always produce content. It's got to be good content and content that your viewers want to see. And then you can build a brand that way and start selling products or services through your personal brand. If you own a small or local business, again, it's a great way to kind of grow your business, and once you've got that following, you can start selling your services through your blog or through your YouTube channel. So vlog or blog essentially. So that's very powerful, and that's only going to grow. It's extremely low cost to start, like I said, but at the end of the day, if you keep growing it, you're consistent, you're persistent, and you're continually producing high quality content, then your channel, your brand, your personal brand is going to grow, and people are going to respect you and see you as an authority in your community, in your business sector. And so there we have it, guys. Those are the top 7 low cost, high profit business ideas in 2019. I hope you guys got value out of this video. Please share your comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you know any other business ideas that you think are going to be lucrative, long-term and sustainable into the future, then please pop them down in the comments. I'd love to hear from everyone. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe. You know, I'd truly appreciate that, guys, and leave a thumbs up. And with that being said, remember, with all these business ideas, you still need to be consistent. You need to provide high quality content and products and services, and you need to be disciplined. Okay, it takes time to grow a business. Even with these businesses that are low cost, high profit businesses, they're still going to take time to grow. Okay, sometimes 6 months to a year, 2 years, or 3 years. You've got to be consistent. You've got to keep growing. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please, like I said, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye.